Hi, I'm Abhi from RiPixel, and today I'm going to show you how to see your YouTube recap in 2025. So, YouTube Recap 2025 is a personalized highlight reel that shows you most watched creators, top music, total watch time, and your viewing vibes for the year. Here's how you can access it. Method 1 is on the YouTube mobile app. Simply open the YouTube mobile app and you will see this interface. Here, you're going to simply click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. After you click this, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you will see your YouTube account, your history and playlist. And just at the top, you will see your 2025 recap just right here. You can see if you click this, it will instantly start showing your YouTube recap. You can click on the right to see the next recap story. It will show your top interest, your watched channels and your favorite creators and much more. Now, if you would want to share any of the recaps, what you can simply do is click on the share icon and this will instantly open a list of applications through which you can share your YouTube recap. For example, you can click on My Status and this will instantly share this YouTube recap on your status, or you can also share it to your contacts on WhatsApp or Instagram. Just click any app and choose whether you want to post it as a reel, a story or message someone. So, this is the only way through which you are going to see your recap. But if you're not able to see your recap, you can simply update YouTube application. Go to your Play Store, click on search icon and search for YouTube. Then click YouTube and click on this. Now, if you see an update button just right here, click this. After your app gets updated, you will instantly get your YouTube recap in the profile section of your YouTube application. Now, what you can also do is simply restart your mobile. This will clear the cache for YouTube and will help it get the recap instantly. What you can also do is click on the switch account button and choose another account through which you'll be able to see the YouTube recap on your mobile phone. Also, make sure your watch history is on. In order to turn on watch history, click on settings gear icon at the top right and here choose manage all history. Here, you'll have to simply make sure that you are saving your YouTube history. Click on this button and make sure it's turned on, not turned off. If it says turn on, click on that button and it will instantly start recording your YouTube history through which your YouTube recap will be made. Now, here's one more important part. For a lot of people, this feature isn't loading yet for them. And if you check on X or Reddit, you will see many users complaining about the exact same issue. So don't worry, it's not just you. YouTube has already responded and they said the 2025 recap is rolling out globally throughout the week. That means if you don't see yours yet, you just need to wait a little bit. It shows up automatically once the rollout reaches your account. In the meantime, make sure that your app is ready and update it. So that is the simple way through which you can see your YouTube recap in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.